Hello everyone. So today we will see the analysis of GHCL on daily time frame. So as you are seeing in the picture, GHCL has broken its main swing low of this 603 levels and give a close below the 600 level in today's time frame or today's daily candle. So what we can accept here is that I have already write here is that sell below 600 when daily candle closes below 600. अगर 600 के नीचे अगर डेली कैंडल क्लोज हो रही है तो ही आपको 600 के नीचे सेल करना है. Okay, so we can also see the price action. Wait a second, I will draw it. Where's my arrow? Okay, so from this level what we can do, we can mark it here up to here. Okay, yeah, this level. Now what we can do again, we will no, we will do it here, then again from here to here. Okay, this is the major swing low, swing high. Okay, now again a swing low over a correction phase, again a up move. Okay, but now what happened is that this up move didn't sustain and it broke. Okay, up to here. You can see the price action is like this: up move, a small correction, a up move, a big correction, a small up move, and a correction again. Okay, so the total momentum is in downside, but what I can see is here that this zone is a demand zone on daily time frame, this zone and this is also. So I am a little bit of question that in tomorrow's trading session it can be a gap up. Okay, can be a gap up around this level, but don't worry, it will not sustain. But around this level it can again a gap up session, but we will see. Okay, no need to worry about that. So as per my observation, if yesterday session, in a yesterday session it retests the 601 level, so we will sell it again. Okay, I'll put it here again, sale below 600. Okay, but we will wait for the retest. Okay, I will remove this thing. Now you can see the price action clearly. It's not sustaining. Yeah, it's not sustaining. Okay, so by the price action what we can see, the momentum is in downtrend, and we can see, check the weekly momentum also, it's also in the downtrend. Okay, weekly momentum is also in the downtrend because in the weekly it forms a lower high, high, low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so yeah, if it retails this level into tomorrow's session 602 level or 603 level, we will again sell it. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much, have a nice day.